That was great because being a manufacturing event here, whatever I was planning for the next quarter, I was able to see here in the today's delegate meeting.
Definitely, the event was organized really very well, and the delegates who came into our booth and the additional effort you guys have put it across to get them on to us, have a discussion. Definitely, they saw value in our technology and product what we are offering to the customers, and it will give us a one step directly and going and meeting them and positioning our solutions to them in next week. So most of them have asked us to come and meet them next week. So it's like an easy turnover for us to convert and any opportunity for us that matter. And we really thank you guys for that. It was well organized. I think the time management was very well, and the delegates were being specifically called to our booth to have an interaction with us, which I really liked it. Normally in other events we have to follow up with them and try to get them their attention to us, but I think you guys did a fabulous job in getting them to us on our booth, and we could have a quality time with them.